In our last video, we talked about the mismatch between how we think about and treat mental health disorders in conventional medicine and what they really are at their fundamental root. Metabolic disorders of the brain manifesting in different conditions: anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, depending on the underlying metabolic dysfunction and other facets of the individual. But that brings us to the question, well, what's at the heart of metabolism? And of course, the answer to that question is mitochondria. You've probably heard of them as the powerhouse of the cell. But they're so much cooler and more complex than that. They're not little batteries. They are trillions of ebbing, flowing, dancing, signaling networks. They literally secrete hormones. They fuse together to become more powerful and even bleb off parts to be broken up and recycled. And these dynamics, these mitochondrial dynamics, are dictated by how we choose to eat and live. As just one example, a study was published last year in Nature, actually out of the department where I did my PhD at Oxford, the Department of Physiology, Anatomy, and Genetics, showing that light dictates how mitochondria fuse together and break apart, which brings a whole new level of resolution to how we think about practices like getting morning sunlight or avoiding dark light at night. It's not just a matter of changing melatonin levels. It's literally a matter of dictating how the core metabolic unit of your body, the mitochondria, operates. But it goes beyond morning light, how we eat and sleep. There are even theories of autoimmune diseases, termed the break-in endosymbiosis hypothesis. That's what I get for trying to use multisyllabic words. Basically, leaky mitochondria that are caused by things like obesogenic, high sugar, high fat diets or sedentary lifestyles. The point is, how we choose to eat or live dictate how the core operating system of our metabolisms functions, our mitochondria. And that's true across the body, which means that how we eat and live dictates heart disease, diabetes risk, obesity, and yes, mental health. So a lot of what we're going to talk about in NeuroVitals is targeted at improving mitochondrial health because it is the foundation of your metabolic health, and your metabolic health is the foundation of your mental health.